Hey my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Exquisite, and today I'm going to show you how I do my arch installs. So first I use chicken wire and the floral foam, and I just cut them in half and create an already existing form, because sometimes it takes a lot of time to do it there. And then we start with our greenery. We just put it in all our greenery. Then we go in with layers of flowers, bringing them in and out. And basically that is really it. For a more detailed description on how I do my installs, make sure you sign up for my membership. Thanks for watching. Bye.